and today I'm doing a two-part video show you guys how I make my own clip-ins for my hair and how I install them. These clip-ins from Toronto. It is a black owned store. It is called Hair Granted Beauty Shop or Beauty Supply. They were on sale. I think I paid for 2 kinky straight bundles. I believe it was 20 inches. I think I paid $100 and something for it. But this is how it looks. It is really, I love the way it feels. It's really soft. And it's thick. Like, this is how much the bundles come in. So it's really good. I think I could do with 2 of these for my whole head because I do want it to be really thick. Because if you guys remember the wig that I had, that one was a little bit thinner on the thinner side because it was a wig, but because it's clip-ons, I kind of want it to be a little bit bigger. So I think 2 bundles should be good. Well, it has to be good. That's all I have. I'll show you guys how I get these bundles to turn into clip-ins and then install them on my head. We're gonna need the bundles for sure. I did buy 2 packs of the wig clips, so that's what I have here. I bought the large ones because I don't like when the teeth are so fine because I find it rips out your hair a little bit. So I got 2 packs of those large wig clips. You're gonna need a needle and thread to obviously sew the wig clips onto the weave. So that's what I have here. I just have the curved needles, but I find that the straighter needles are easier to work with when you are sewing the clips onto the weft. And you are going to need a comb and scissors. So this is actually my first time making my own clip-ins and even wearing clip-ins, to be honest. We're just gonna see how it works because I need to do something with my hair and I want to try something new. So I'm definitely stepping out the box with this one. It shouldn't be that hard. Just measure, cut, sew. So we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so this is how much I have of the weft. That's 1 roll. I'm gonna double it, so you're gonna see that I have 2 of it right here. Instead of keeping it singles, I am going to double it. That way it is much thicker. So I'm gonna put it under like this and just sew it, hand sew, because I don't have a sew machine. So I'm just gonna hand sew it. That way it lays flat on my head.
Do you know the way I feel? You got me losing my mind. Oh, try to suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains, baby. They take me up, they take me down.
Once it's cut, we're going to sew them together. So now we're gonna add the clips to the wefts. I have 24 of these clips. I did buy 2 packs and 1 pack had 12, so I have 24 of them. So we're just gonna sew them on and I'll show you guys how I do that. Because this weft is shorter, I'm only gonna put 2 clips. One right there and the other one right here. That's fine. You wanna make sure that the back of the teeth, like this part right here, where all the teeth are, you want to make sure that that piece is sewn facing you. Okay, hope you can see. So you want to lay it flat on the weft. This way. So these combs or these clips have holes in them. There's one hole here, one hole here, the next one here and here. That's where you're gonna add the thread in and connect it to the weft. So you push it through the weft. That. Again, make sure the teeth are facing you and you push it through the hole. There you go. And then you just do that a couple of times until the clip feels very secure onto the weft. And I don't like to cut the thread, so I just basically connect it to the other hole without cutting the thread. So we are done. I sewed in the clips. I ran out of clips. I couldn't put like as much as I wanted to on a weft, but all of them have clips on it, so that's really good. You can see them here, two here, two here, and I think I have about 11 or 12 pieces. So now I'm gonna see how it looks when it's installed. Okay, so the tracks are all in. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out the leave out and see how my hair blends. So So this is how the hair looks when it is all in and my leave out. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see it. So this is how the hair looks when the clip-ins are in and my leave out is done. It blends in so well with my hair because my hair is kinky, obviously. So come back tomorrow, you guys, and then you're gonna see how I style this. I must say wig. How I style. I'm gonna end part 1 right here. You guys make sure you come back and tune in tomorrow to see how I style this clip in. Oh, I love it. It's so much easier than a wig, you guys. Like, I think I found my new thing. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow on another episode of Vlogmas Natural Hair Edition. Again, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, post notification bell, and the thumbs up. That way you get notified every single time I post another Vlogmas episode video. Thank you guys again. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.